Play a game, speed up Alzheimer's research. This is the idea behind a newly released online video game developed at Cornell University. WENY's Isabel Garcia spoke with researchers behind the project and explains how you can play a part in the advancement of Alzheimer's treatment.
Right now, it takes a trained researcher about 40 hours to analyze data that it takes only 1 hour to acquire. So that dramatically slows down the pace of research.
The task of helping researchers analyze all that data is now assigned to the public in the form of a video game. It's called Stall Catchers, and it's designed to find new information about the cognitive issues associated with Alzheimer's disease.
You're presented an image that we've acquired in the lab, taken of blood vessels in the brains of mice that have been engineered to get Alzheimer's disease. And what we're looking for are vessels that are not flowing.
So essentially how this game works is you're going to log on to stallcatchers.com and do a quick little sign up, and then you'll be given a tutorial just in case you forget this little run through. But what's going to happen is you're going to be presented with a 3D image stack, which is essentially just a series of images placed on top of one another. And then you're going to be trained how to identify a blood vessel. And then what's going to happen as part of the game is you're going to have to determine whether or not that blood vessel is either flowing or stalled. And so what happens is you analyze the image and then select your answer and then move on from there.
You get points for selecting the correct answer, which is deemed by the general consensus in the cloud.
Each vessel will get scored by 20 or 30 different people, and then we use the scores across all of those people to develop a consensus answer that then becomes, that's the ground truth for that vessel.
While it might be just a video game for us non-biomedical engineers, it's something researchers say is essential.
So right now, it's just not possible for us to move forward in a reasonable time frame with the current analysis pipeline. We are dependent on stall catchers in order to even make progress on this research. So, I don't even think about it as like this, how does this speed up our work? This is integral to us being able to be successful in moving forward with this project. We really are working right at the boundary of human knowledge. There's no roadmap as to what the next step should be, and we're sort of feeling our way and trying to find a path forward, but there's lots of blind alleys and lots of mistakes and lots of wrong turns along the way because we're working literally in, it's the functional equivalent of working in uncharted territory.
At Cornell University, Isabel Garcia, WENY News.